Welcome to Baby Fun TV.
Hi kids, today we will learn about shapes. You know that? What is it? Yes, it is circle. Say with me, circle. What is this? Yes, it is a semicircle. Say with me, semicircle. What shape is this? Guess? Yes, it's oval. It is easier for you. What name is it? It is triangle. What shape is it? You know that? Yes, it's a rectangle. Say with me, rectangle. What shape is next? Yes, it's square. Square is green in color. What shape is the next? You know that? Okay, I tell you. It's a cube. What shape is it? It's a cuboid. What is this? Guess? You know that? It's a pentagon. Say with me, pentagon. What shape is the next? Its name is cone. I'm drawing a next shape. What shape is it? It's a cylinder. Say with me, cylinder. What is the shape is next? Isosceles triangle. What is the shape next? Is your favorite shape? Okay, tell me in your comments. What is name? Its name is star. What is the next shape? You know that? Yes. I tell you, its name is rhombus. Don't forget it. The next shape is... What is it? Say with me. It's a hexagon. And it's similar to the hexagon. Its name is... What? Yes, it's a octagon. Only side's different. What shape is it? It's very simple. This shape is heart. What is the next shape? Its name is diamond. What is the next shape? It's a parallelogram. What is this? Okay, I'll tell you. It's a crescent. The next shape is trapezoid. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.